Hello, in this video we'll discuss about one benefit of supply chain management in Dynamics 365. Okay, supply chain management enables organization to run smarter with connected operations and to perform tasks like it can create an ideal manufacturing mix from discrete, lean and process in a single unified solution to support processes across the supply chain. So what does that actually mean? It means that companies can use one system to manage different ways of making product, whether they build items one by one or in a big batches or with a special recipe all in one place in Dynamics 365 supply chain management modules. Okay, so let's make the sentence more meaningful. I have specified that discrete manufacturing, lean manufacturing or process manufacturing. What does it actually mean? For example, it builds robot one at a time. It builds robots one at a time. That's a discrete manufacturing. For example, one of the example of for lean manufacturing, it mass produces simple toys quickly. So this is the lean manufacturing. Our process manufacturing means it mixes materials and to make one product. So that is the process manufacturing. So instead of using three different or separate tools, Dynamics 365 platform lets the company manage all these different way of making things in one system. So that is why it is easy to use, connected and organized. So no matter how a product is made, piece by piece or in batches or by mixing the ingredients, the system helps to manage all together. So that is the one benefit of supply chain management. Okay, so if you have any question regarding this particular benefit, you can write it in the comment section. I'll try to solve your problem. Okay, thank you.